So we're inside stock number 1028. Got 15.9 trail boss. Lots of nice little upgrades in this trailer. It's got the shiplap on the walls and the slide. It's got the alder with the driftwood stain, which is probably my favorite cabinet stain on the alder. Just brings out a ton of different colors and character in the wood. It's got the upgraded slide trim kit on it. It's got a U-shaped dinette, which is kind of nice because if you're not going to use it as a dining table, you can just pull the table up and it just kind of turns into another sofa. Genuine leather on the sofa backs. It's got a fold down bunk with functioning cabinet doors. You can actually pull the mattress and the board out if you're not going to use that bunk and just have a set of overhead cabinets. It's got the 8.0 fridge in there. Bigger fridge. This trailer's got a 5,500 watt generator, 2 air conditioners. It's got the fold down countertop extension, copper sinks. This trailer is also 8 tall, which is really nice. Gives you a lot more overhead cabinet space. You got a double pull wardrobe up front here. A bunch of shelving storage / pantry storage here. Take a peek up in the nose. Comes with another flat screen TV up there already. It's already got, it also has satellite, DirecTV, excuse me, not DirecTV, Dish Network satellite in there. Pull out drawers on the dinette. It's got the 10-gallon hot water heater. Take a peek in this bathroom. It's got the leather covered toilet seat. Vanity with soffit lights. It's got your walk-through door. It's got a drawer bank in the wardrobe closet here for all your smalls. It's got a single pull closet down there, and that is for that extra cushion is for the U-shaped dinette to convert to a bed. It's got the marble radius shower stall in it. Power vent in the ceiling. Super nice trailer. Right now, Bloomer's not ordering. They're not taking any orders for any type of stock combo, stock trailer. So I can't rebuild this trailer right now. And this one's going to sell really fast. It's priced great. It's got the extra AC unit on it. Really beautiful interior. Get it while it lasts. And again, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. And you'll be the first to get notified when we post these new and used trailers for inventory. Thanks again for checking us out.